You've probably already heard about semen retention, lack of motivation, and lack of sex drive, but what you don't realize is that there are 6 other ways that pornography is destroying men. Today, I'm gonna show you this because my goal is to help you finally quit. I know you've been trying to stop for years, but by the time you're done watching this video, you will have enough information to logically see why it's just not worth it. Starting with number 1, you misinterpret sexuality. You have watched so much porn in so many situations that now you misinterpret every interaction and make it sexual. Going on a house showing, can't do that because you're gonna look at the realtor in a sexual way. In class, can't do that as well. You're hard as a rock, you can't stand up. You then become hyper needy and act that way because your brain is so fried with sexuality that any interaction with the opposite sex, you just end up misinterpreting. Number 2, you use it to escape reality. Like drugs, like alcohol, like gambling, pornography, in often cases is used to escape reality. It's a way that you use to deal with stress. It's a quick hit of dopamine that you use to make yourself feel better after something bad happened. Girl rejected you, you failed the test, you didn't get the raise you wanted, you then go home and run to that one vice that you know will make you feel better. What you don't notice is that this is gonna destroy you in 2 ways. One is that you're ignoring the problem. As a man, problem solving and dealing with your problems head on is a skill you must develop. And number 2, you are literally flushing down the toilet your motivation, your male power, which is gonna stop you or demotivate you from doing number 1, which is problem solving the issue you're upset about. Number 3, you end up tolerating really abnormal sexual interaction. When you consume so much of this content, you have an increased tolerance for what others might otherwise consider abnormal. This could be cheating, promiscuity, violence, multiple partners, or even cuckoldery. These are not normal and they will not lead you to happiness, but you have watched it so much online that your brain is now desensitized and, as a matter of fact, has normalized it, and you will bring it into your real life, which can have serious consequences. Look, we are now halfway through this video. Your eyes should be wide open at this point at just how not worth it pornography is. But these next 3 ways that pornography is affecting you that I'm about to share with you just should downright disgust you, which is number 4, you develop compulsive behavior. Watching this stuff and receiving that dopamine hit sets the bar so low for your reward system that you end up becoming a compulsive man. In life, delayed gratification and hard work are attributes that will build you up as a man. Both of these are bypassed when you skip actually having to go out to meet a real girl and decide to do it real quick in your bathroom. So of course, you become compulsive. It's so easy, and now you've lost all self-control. This is exactly why pornography watchers are 3 times more likely to cheat. They can't control themselves. 5, it's just dehumanizing. It has been proven in studies, and you can probably relate to this yourself, that prolonged pornography usage leads to boredom and sexual dissatisfaction. This is why you need to watch more of it to just feel an equal amount of pleasure. You have quite literally rewired your brain. See, sex should be something beautiful, something you look forward to, something that's exhilarating. You have now skewed that concept of reality to thinking it's normal to have multiple sexual partners at one sitting because you have so many tabs open every single day. So now you're just bored with the process. You've dehumanized the entire event. One girl will never be enough, which ultimately takes me to number 6. It leads to unrealistic expectations. It does this in 2 ways. It falsely makes you believe you have unlimited options, especially for men that haven't made anything of themselves yet. Think about it. You touch yourself to 15 different women every single day. Having one girl will never just be enough anymore. And then the second way it does this is that you think they will act in the same way that these paid actors and scenes are acting. They are doing this specifically because they know what turns you on. This is not how it works in the real world. So now your expectations or what you're looking for when the thing actually happens are completely skewed, and you'll never be satisfied.